Welcome to this 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, ultra customized end unit in Brunswick's most desirable condo community. Inside, you'll find radiant heat, a gorgeous custom kitchen, hardwood flooring throughout, and custom blinds. A stunning great room features a natural gas fireplace and cathedral ceilings with skylights. The abundant natural light creates an open and airy feel throughout. So many custom features, you'll need to come see it for yourself.